there is a place and a possibility that miraculous things can happen, but you have to, in order to banish the doubt, in order to heal this energy body that I'm speaking about here, in order to be, you have to be in such a position that you're not asking. You're not coming from a ordinary place asking someone extraordinary to do something for you. That's sort of what we've learned in our religious model. That God is outside of us, something like a cosmic bellboy, that if we just sort of ask it to do something for us and we behave and we pay a certain amount of money and we go to the right temples and we do the right things, that this external being will then provide us with favors, and that this God has the ability to heal, but it withholds it depending upon what mood it's in and so on. And that's a very different concept that I'm talking about here. I'm talking about a concept of God that says that we are all pieces of God. Like T.S. Eliot said, we shall not cease from exploring. And at the end of all of our exploring will be to return to the place from which we originated and to know it for the first time, to know it. You don't have to die to do this. You can know it here. You can know it now. You can say to yourself, as the I Am discourses say over and over and over again, the I Am is the divine work of God. And you are capable of saying I am. And you don't want to add anything after I am that isn't consistent or harmonious or in rapport with God. That is the all-creating knowing, the all-knowingness. We all know everything. There's a higher self within each and every one of us. There's a highest self which is omniscient and omnipotent, all-powerful, and everywhere at once. And the Creator, according to Mikhail Ivanov, a great teacher of the White Brotherhood, that is white light, not white skin, okay? I could get nervous when I say that. But it's and this teaching of the initiatic sciences, which I've been studying for the last couple of years in depth, reading and studying and meditating on a regular basis, that God places within each and every one of us a spark of Himself. Most organized religion has taught that we know and we're the conduit, we're the ones that can give you access to God. You have to do it through us, through our organization, through all of the kinds of teachings that we have. And I'm suggesting that you don't need that at all. So it's an awareness that there's something, something so powerful that we're capable of, and that there is a highest self within each and every one of us. And this highest self is, religion doesn't teach it. Religion has not taught that because it's been so much about power. So, when we're talking about the conflicts that are going on here in the Balkans, where we are right now, off to Medjugorje tomorrow, so much of it is about religion. So much of it is about, Christians and Muslims and fighting and all of this kind of thing over these ideas. And I'm suggesting to you that Jesus was saying, you are God's. And you have to be able to say, I am. And anything that you want to place your attention on, if you want to overcome an addiction, if you want to lose the weight that you've had for as long, if you've been overweight for most of your life, if you want to attract prosperity and wellness into your life, if these are something that you really want for yourself, truly, if you want it for yourself, you have to declare it. And it's not about asking. It's about commanding.